Students, today we start the real AI battle. ChatGPT, Gemini, and DeepSeek. AI will not replace you. People who use AI will replace you. Learn these 8 AI tools and you will never fail. ChatGPT thinks deeper and solves problems smarter than others. Gemini is fast, really fast. Its speed is like fire. DeepSeek thinks like a machine, pure logic, pure intelligence. Now, let's test speed. Who replies faster? Now we test accuracy. Which AI gives the most correct answers? Let's test daily tasks, emails, notes, and ideas. For daily tasks, ChatGPT is the winner. ChatGPT, the brain of AI. It helps you think faster. Gemini is fast, very fast. It gives answers in seconds. DeepSeek is powerful, very powerful. It thinks deeper than others. Now the real battle begins. Which AI will win? AI power is rising. Fire, speed, everything is blasting. Now the AI is thinking. Deep logic, powerful decisions. AI is not just power, AI is magic. And that magic is now yours. This is full action. AI versus AI. Power everywhere! Sometimes, one calm moment can change your whole life. I start with nothing, but I rise with AI. My future begins today. The world is changing, and AI is leading the way. Students, learn AI today. Your future depends on it. I am a watchman, but I'm learning AI, and I will rise. Like, share, and subscribe. This is KAKA AI. More powerful videos are coming.